Hey guys, welcome back to Eyeshadow makeup room where we learn and grow together. Today I am going to be showing you this very cute eyeshadow chocolate look using Juvia's Place. I need you guys to make sure you are subscribed to the channel, guys. Let's go ahead and get straight into it. So we got the chocolate medium palette from Juvia's Place. Yes, get into it. Okay, I love this palette, guys. It's just so cute. First thing I did was mix both of the darkest shades together and apply that into my cut crease. And we're just going to go ahead and blend that in. And then I went in with that lighter brown to go ahead and buff this look out nice and good. Y'all, look at this eye. Oh my god, it's just already turning out good. And we're just a minute into this video. And we're just going to blend and buff everything together, that dark and that light brown. Blend it all in nice and smooth until we get the look that we are desiring, okay? And again, this is the chocolate medium palette from Juvia's Place, guys. We started with both of the dark browns into that cut crease. And then look, it's time to go ahead and really pop that chocolate dark color in. So I am using an all black eyeshadow from, I believe this is like Maybelline, and we're going right into that lid and bringing it up just a tad bit, guys, and blending everything in nice and smooth for that very, very bold eyeshadow. That is what we're going for this look. Look at that. It's just coming together, and this, I don't know what to say. You guys see it happening before your eyes very fast. So, this what we're going to do is we're just kind of like blend all the colors in and make sure that it's nice and right. And that black going into that brown, going into that lighter brown is really giving smoky eyes, okay? Very much smoky eyes. Guys, to the fun part, we got the gems, and these are gold gems, okay? That are going on the eyes. And we are just going to go ahead and apply that. Let's get into it. Apply it. I'm using adhesive glue on the eyelids to go ahead and make them stick. Baby, if you don't got the glue on the eyelids, it will not stick, okay? It's not going to stick. But baby, this chocolate lip, goddess look, I couldn't think of a name for this. Like, only thing that I can think of is chocolate eyeshadow. Like, I should have thought of a name for this, guys. But this is the finalized look, and I just love it. I just freaking love it. It's so fast. It took me like under a few minutes to achieve this look on both eyelids, guys. It's so much fun. It's bold. It will get you through the day. It's so easy for beginners, guys. I hope you enjoyed this very quick video that I dropped for you guys. Subscribe to the channel, and yeah, like this video. Bye.